It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Tsh, da, 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 da. Di, da, di, di, da, di, di, da, 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 da. Di, da, di, li, da, di, li, di, da. Di, da, di, li, di, da, di, li, 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 da, di, di, da, di, di, da, di, di, da.
Preparing the kidney dissection.
Alright, are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright. Hi, my name is Hector Azon,
And I'm Nathan Santos.
and we're on the kidney expedition. We're gonna come over here. We're gonna look for some nice juicy kidneys.
Bro, what's that behind the tree?
Oh, I think this is juicy one.
Oh my god. We just found it.
This is a nice one.
Very nice.
So, you see the different parts of the kidney? Right here, you have the renal capsule. This protects the kidney. And then here's the renal cortex. This contains the blood vessels of the kidney. And then the renal medulla. This contains the medullary pyramid. As you see here in the medullary pyramid, inside the medullary pyramid, there are nephrons. And inside the nephrons, you'll find the Bowman capsule and the glomerulus. And right under the glomerulus, under those two, you'll find the loop of Henle and the... What'd you say?
The collective ducts.
Oh, yes, the collective ducts. Minor calyx. And a minor calyx has urine flowing through it. And then a group of minor calyxes will make a major calyx. And then a renal pelvis, it contains the urine, and then the urine goes all the way to the ureter and out the urethra, or to the bladder and then to the urethra.
Alright.
Yeah.
Record this, not me.
Sorry.
And the way blood and urine is filtered is by going through the renal artery, which leads into the kidneys. And inside the kidney is the renal medulla. And inside the renal medulla is the medullary pyramid. And inside the medullary pyramid are nephrons that filter out the blood and urine by starting off in the Bowman's capsule. And in the Bowman's capsule is the glomerulus. And that filters out the blood and urine, which leads through the proximal tubule. And from there it goes into the loop of Henle, and then out of the loop of Henle goes to another tubule, which then leads to the collective ducts, which collects all the waste. And from the collecting ducts, it goes to the ureter, and then in the ureter goes to the bladder, and then out through the urethra. Alright, we're gonna put this bad boy back, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that expedition. I cannot believe we actually just found a wild kidney like that. That was crazy.